Welcome to the Trade Family Club YouTube channel. On this channel, we like to talk and teach trading and get ideas and bounce ideas off of you as well. So when trading, technical analysis is used to determine when you trade, when you should buy and when you should sell in the market, technical analysis. So support and resistance is a technical analysis method that we use to identify areas of opportunity that we can get into the market. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull up my chart and I'm going to go over support and resistance and show you what I mean. So here we have our chart, and I'm going to go ahead and remove these lines. And so what we're going to start is we're going to be with the definition of support and resistance. So resistance is where price meets at a certain area, but was not able to break through that area above that area. Okay, that's resistance. That's also known as, we like to call it, the ceiling. Support is where the price met once again, but was not able to break through it below to push through down. And we like to call that the floor. And so in the market, this is important because it lets us know what's going on with the prices and where we can find opportunities to actually get in the market. So one thing we want to do is we want to identify our support and resistance. And the way we're going to do that is by putting a horizontal line on the chart based off of the price actions that have happened in the same area more than once. So we're going to come right over here and we see these candlesticks identify price action, 15-minute. So this is 15, each candle represents 15 minutes of price action. So here in this area, we find that these three candles here, although they're small, they all were in the same area. So we're going to put a horizontal line here because that's a price point. Okay, boom, that's one line. And we're going to do that again. We're going to identify areas on this chart where prices have come together at the same point more than one time. So over here, and you can also change the colors of the lines. And this yellow line here is going to be our other line here, okay? That's the support, or you can also call it the floor. And what happens with the support and resistance lines, these change. This support line may become resistance, and the resistance line can become support. It's off because the market is forever moving. The market moves in three ways. It goes up and down. As you can see, this goes up, and then this is just sideways, and then it goes down. So it goes up, down, and sideways. Won't go any other way, I promise. So we're making these lines on our chart. We're identifying the price points on our chart by putting horizontal lines in the areas where price has met 1, 2, 3, 4 in the same area. And as we create these lines, we're also formulating zones. These zones are going to be our opportunity areas to get in for the trade. So on this zone here, this is small candles, but it's a zone. So I'm going to quickly show you how you would use these zones to get in. As you can see here, this green candle, which is a very, very small candle, that means the momentum is not strong at all. That means this is not a strong candle momentum. It can mean that the price is getting ready to go down. That means that the buyers are losing control. So they may be selling soon. That's what a small candle implicates. Or it could mean that buyers are still working on it and it can go up. So what you want to do is just keep an eye on it. But how you want to get in is once this candle, the next 15-minute candle formulates, if it's over this yellow line, you want to get into this trade with a buy, and you want to go to 77939. That's your price you want to hit. If this candle goes down, you do not want to get in the trade. You want to wait. Okay. You don't want to get into the trade as of yet. So that's how you want to use these zones. So these zones help you to these are indication of when to buy. And it also shows you price market structure. It's showing you that. So just quickly, I can show you about market structure very quickly, guys. So as you can see, this broke out. This area here, it would broke out into what we call a buy. So the structure was here. We'll just put a line. We'll put a support, a resistance line here, a support line here, just for. Okay, that's good. So as you can see here, it was here in this zone and it broke out. Okay, and it was here in this zone and it broke out. And it was here when it's in a zone like this. This is what we consider to be consolidation. Okay, guys. So quickly, so as you can see, this 15-minute candle is formulating. When after this one formulates, if the next one is inside this zone here, you want to go in for a buy. Okay, you want to get your 10 to 15 pips. You can calculate that. That's another class. And I can show you how to calculate your pips, get in the trade and get out, get your money, get the bag and go. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for listening. Please comment, like, and share. And if you have any ideas, please do so and let me know. Love you. Peace.